to another video. I haven't done like a day in the life video in a while, so we got some cool stuff happening today. I'm gonna film that, but check out the weather that we have right now. It's October 2nd. Full snow drifts. So yeah, they were forecasting that there was gonna be snow last night, but not on this level. I don't have a scraper or anything. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get my car out of the yard. So there's like probably like 3 inches of snow, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So yeah, I gotta get out here, and then I gotta get down this alley. So that's gonna suck. I'm gonna fire the Legacy up right now, let it warm up for a while, because this will be its first like actual cold start on the single turbo setup. And if you guys didn't know, I've made a lot of videos about it, but I have Zestino full 140 treadwear track tires. Yeah, this is gonna suck. Hello. You guys haven't seen this video yet, but I did underglow. I haven't tucked the wires yet, so that's why it looks all janky. All right. Let's see how this starts. Oh, rip. Oh! Okay. Left it in gear. Tried to drive itself forwards. Hey! Nice. Nice and toasty inside. I'm gonna go meet up with Kevin Morgan, but first I gotta get this out of here. So let's see how these R compound tires do in the snow. Yo, who needs 4-wheel drive? Bye, Calvin. Have fun at school today. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with Kevin Morgan now. That was surprisingly easy. I did not think it was gonna be that easy. As you can see, plowed her a little bit, but we're all good. All right, guys, so we just made it down south. I drove for about 20 minutes on the freeways and stuff, and that was terrifying. I went sideways way too many times for how, yeah, it's just sketchy. It's just so sketchy. Don't suggest driving today, especially in a car like this. A few cops passed me, just laughing so hard. Yeah. How you feeling, Kev? Hey. Still filming? I was there, but I won't. Okay, so we just got the. Oh no! I lost my bagel! Fucking rip! I'm still gonna eat it.
Obviously.
I lost my fucking bagel! Alright guys, we're good. The bagel survived. I'm gonna eat it still. So right now we're heading over. I got a message from a gentleman, from a Mr. Tyler Hogue. So I got a message from Tyler Hogue on Instagram. I guess he runs business development for this virtual reality arcade in Calgary. He invited me and a bunch of friends to come out and check it out. So we're on our way there right now. There's only 4 of us going. Originally we had a bigger group, but it's a Monday at 1 p.m. right now. Most people have normal lives and have work right now. So luckily Kev, Morgan, and Brandon didn't have work. And we're gonna go check this place out. So yeah, we'll go, I'll vlog, show you guys everything they have. I've done VR a little bit before. It was like PlayStation VR and it was pretty crazy. And I was like hallucinating really hard after it. And this is gonna be even gnarlier because it's gonna be like fully immersive. So yeah, it should be really cool.
Just get this camera out of my face, no paparazzi.
Alright guys. Godspeed. See you in the virtual reality world. So get everything set up and then we'll start recording.
Okay. Yep. Someone's tapping on my shoulders and it's creeping me out. It's Brent. It's Brent.
Go look at my screen. CC Morgan, you look like CC.
I pick CC. Very good.
Or DD. DD has daddy issues, for sure.
Yeah, she.
Dude, you can catch them, I think.
Yeah, you can catch them when they throw them at you.
Sick.
Yeah. Oh! I did that to Morgan. Oh, somebody come at me.
Well, I can be in the map.
Orange team
Ah,
is in the
yeah.
Kevin.
Eliminate the blue team.
If you didn't run so slow, I mean, come on.
What is this? It's a shield.
I got a friggin' sniper rifle.
Dude.
Come in here, Fred.
If everybody dies, only Brent will be able to see the restart button. So nobody else back to main menu.
Okay, so then I just got rid of all my ammo.
Me too.
Brent, look at your legs, man.
Wait. Ammo belt.
You guys all.
Wait. Let's go, long bomb. Back up. Somebody.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice try, man. Oh! Yo, nice throw.
Yo, look at Ammo. All right.
Oh, me.
There's a grenade.
Oh, I'm out too.
Oh, rip. Where'd my fucking gun go?
Yeah, I lost mine.
Oh, I put it in my other hand. Yo!
Whoa! Some of these guys like sprint at you.
I got a different gun now.
Yeah.
Oh. What just happened?
Oh, I dual wielded.
Yeah, 0 to 100.
Workout, right?
Holy,
Oh,
I'm
I'm
sweating,
so
buddy.
sweaty.
Okay, so while we have everybody here, what did you guys think about that?
That was lots of fun.
That was so much
That was
fun.
lots of fun.
It's actually the sickest thing ever.
We need like 20
None of us
to come
headbutted
here.
a wall.
I hit the curtain a few times,
Oh, really?
especially in the jumping
I was so
one.
scared.
When you walked over and they're like, yo, fist bump, I wanted to just fucking punch the curtain.
Dude, the fucking, that like heat-seeking shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was coming at me, and I did this, and I like ran right into the curtain.
I kept trying to run away. I was like, no.
Yeah, it's super gnarly. If you guys are in Calgary or Lethbridge, check out the arcade. Yeah.
Do it.
So
I'll
much
post links in the description and everything, but you guys should definitely check it out.
So
They're awesome. Very awesome. All right, now what are we gonna do, Morgan?
We're gonna go drift my car.
Morgan's gonna do skits.
No, not.
Okay. It is so shitty outside. We found kind of a secluded spot. Ah! Get more. Yeah, Mark. You're
superpowers. We know who speaks for the nations, but who speaks for the human species? Who speaks